Okay, so we're just going to turn this to inflate and watch the magic. Hello, this is Rich from HouseBarons.com. My brother Dave and I renovate houses along with Dave's son Caleb. And today we're going to be reviewing the GrandinRoad EZ Bed, which is basically a portable bed that inflates. When it's all tucked away in its little bag, it looks like this. And the one that we're going to be demonstrating is all set up right here. And this one is a twin. So we're going to show you how to set it up and take it down. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, because we want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. Right, Claire? Super cool thing. It's nice and compact. It's lightweight. Like, you know, here I am carrying it just with one arm. And it's all zipped up and contained in this little bag here. And the bag is actually attached to the frame, so you can't lose it. So we're gonna plug that in to inflate it. But here it's like an accordion style pull-out. So that's how it looks when you get it out of its case, and there's its nice frame. On this end, there's an electric cord and pretty simple operation panel. So it's got deflate, off, and inflate. So right now we have it off. We'll plug it in. Okay, so we're just gonna turn this to inflate and watch the magic. Hey, GrandinRoad, nice going. That was pretty sweet. I mean, I can remember being a kid and forget about the hand pump, like to blow up an air mattress. There was a time, maybe like a nozzle, and you're sitting there like just using your own breath to try to blow the thing up, and you'd be lightheaded, you know, like the whole rest of the day. Anyway, that was very cool. That took like less than a minute to inflate. And so basically the mattress is pretty firm right now. So if you don't like such a firm mattress, you know, you could let a little bit of the air out. And if you want it to be firmer, then just add a little bit more air. This is what it looks like. Here's a shot underneath the bed, just showing you the frame. And so you can see how when it's all set up, it looks really nice. Okay, so over here, GrandinRoad has deflate, inflate, and off. So you just plug that in. All right, well, I don't know about you, but I think that's the bomb. Back to my camping days, how much of my life did I spend, you know, trying to deflate an air mattress, and I'm like sitting on it, rolling on it, and it seems like the air would never go out. But that didn't take very long, like a minute or two, and as far as I can tell, the air is out of there. So I would say that that is pretty darn awesome. All right, and this is how it looks in this state. What we're going to try to do is just get the whole frame to fold up like an accordion, and then we're going to zip it up and we're done. Now, I'm going to put it in its little case. And voila, it's a wrap. I spent more time monkeying around with the camera than I did putting this EZ Bed away. I mean, that seriously took just a couple of minutes, including deflating it and putting it into its bag and zipping it up. And now it's ready to roll to the next place. So it's got these little wheels, and super cool because it's got a handle. You can just roll it from room to room. So, pros. I would say it's lightweight, it's portable, it's sturdy, super easy to set up, super easy to take down. Cons, let's see. I only honestly have slept on it for one night, but I didn't wake up, you know, sore like I used to when I was camping. And the only thing I remember is I got a little bit hot, like a little bit warm during the night, but you know, we're in the middle of the summer, and so that doesn't seem to be, you know, unreasonable. Big thumbs up for this GrandinRoad EZ Bed. And if you got anything out of this video, if you could hit the thumbs up, that would really help out our channel. We appreciate that. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do, because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Thank you very much for viewing, and we'll see you in this video.